Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesari Textile Company. Guys, in this video I'm gonna coming with the newly beautifully arrived some of the unique collections, in particular about print variety. So guys, please watch the video from start to till the end. Many of your concepts you're gonna be like, then please take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number. Like in front of you're gonna be see these kind of beautiful bundles are there. Like I give some of the ideas that you have to purchase these kind of the set wise, guys, not in a single piece we can deliver. These kind of the variety you're gonna be see which are available in some beautiful 12 to 13 different color shades also, and 10 to 12 13 or other beautiful designs also. These are the variety, and these kind of the variety you will be just get at the range of 100 rupees, guys. So no need to worry, per piece 100 rupees, guys. I'm not talking about the whole set. See, in these kind of variety, this is one of the our starting concepts. Like we are the starting range at 61 rupees also, but rather than that we are having 100 rupees concepts also, 150, 200, 300, 400, 500, all the ranges concepts you gonna be manufactured here only. So guys, first of all, in my hand, in these kind of very beautifully in the print silk variety, I'm gonna showing you. See, you're going to be showing these kind of very beautiful concepts which are very easily washable, and there will be not any wrinkles or sprinkles in any of our concepts. And rather than talking about the damages or defectives, that's why I'm showing the whole sarees in front of you, so you can recognize our saree or the ranges which are we are going to be manufactured. See, in these kind of unstitched blouse also you will be get, apart from that, which unstitched blouse concepts with having the length of 6.30 meter only, guys. We not providing you any kind of 5 to 10 or 530 meter sarees in particular about print section. See, and these kind of, first of all, in my hand, this is the unstitched blouse you will be get, and some of the beautifully designery work you will be get in this kind of print sarees. See, many of our customers from the southern region of India, they are come here and visit our company and purchase, and it is one of the hot selling items. I'm gonna seeing you. This is one of the hot selling items I'm gonna showing you, and please do call the screen available number, because it's one of our sales executive number. They will give you all the needed information about our company. Apart from that, like I tell that these kind of set wise you have to purchase, guys. In these kind of the sets you will be get, apart from that, what will be the ranges, how many fabrics, how many pieces, all the complete details you will be get at under one call, guys. So no need to worry about all the concepts. See, next concepts I'm going to showing you in these kind of variety. See, beautiful concept. These kind of very highly preferable in many of our regional states of India, like Punjab, Maharashtra, or that kind of the regional taste, Uttar Pradesh, or some of these kind of the regional taste you will be get in here only. See, apart from that, 6 to 7 different color shades you will be get at each variety. See, so guys, any of the concepts I'm going to showing you, please do take the screenshots, because I'm going to be repeatedly saying that. And any of our query will be left, then please know me in our comment sections. We read those comments and reply to you. One of the beautifully digitalized concepts you will be get. See, at the range of 100, 150, 250, that kind of the ranges you will be getting here only. See, these kind of unstitched matching contrasting blouse you will be get with the pattern of checks you will be see. And in this variety also, like always I have said, 6 to 7, 10 different color shades also you're gonna be having. See, next variety is Roto, one of the highest selling concepts you will be get. See, all the varieties I'm gonna showing you, guys. This is one of the highest reasoning, and apart from that you will be get in this kind of one photo along with also, that you will be get what will be the look you will be get in this kind of the concept. See, many of our concepts we are manufacturing, like uniform sarees, brasso sarees, or some of the crepe concepts, or some of the marble concepts. Apart from that, some of the unique brasso sarees are also you're gonna be manufactured. See, in this kind of variety you will be get. See, beautiful concepts you will be get in this kind of variety. See. In these kind of variety you will be get sir, in many of the our video you're gonna be seeing that what will be the benefit to choose us. Simple guys. First of all, let me say the basic things you're gonna be needed. That whatever the product you will be selected, the same exact product will be delivered at your own destination. That will be the basic point. And apart from that, talking about the ranges. So guys, let me tell you, in Surat textile industry, many shops and they are telling themselves as a manufacturer or showing themselves as a manufacturer. For them, I'm gonna saying you that there will be not any big much differences in all the comparable price or ranges in market. There will be less differences guys. So no need to worry about the price range. You have to worry about only one thing, that there will be not done any kind of misleading or fraudulent activities with you. For that reasons, Kesari Ice Textile is one of the leading and one of the genuine company in today's textile market. So you have to just call the screen available number. Our sales executive will be attend your call and they give you all the further details. So guys, in this video that's all. Please give your precious opinions, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
आपका जो सिल्क का सेक्शन, टू गुड
सिल्क ना, थैंक यू।
सिल्क एंड कॉटन, प्योर कॉटन, बहुत बढ़िया सर। देवांग
अच्छा,
सर, यहाँ पे मुझे 2-3 चीजें ऐसी दिखी ना जो मुझे बहुत बढ़िया लगा।
बस आप ऐसे ही सपोर्ट देते रहिएगा, आते रहिए।
आप अपना खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं या फिर ऑलरेडी बिजनेस है? ऑलरेडी है। तो यहाँ से आप परचेसिंग कर रहे हो, तो आपको प्राइसिंग यहाँ की कैसी लग रही है?
बढ़िया लग रही है।
और क्वालिटी की बात की जाए तो
एक नंबर है।
एक नंबर है। आप यहाँ पे पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हैं?
मैं 6वीं बार आया।
वो 6वीं बार हमारे पास ये कस्टमर आए हैं।
ऐसा कंपनी तो बहुत है इधर, यहाँ आके तो एकदम बिल्कुल जो सोचा उससे अच्छा हुआ।
ओके,
रियली
यहाँ के प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छे हैं, प्रोडक्ट क्वालिटी के हैं और यहाँ ऐसी बात नहीं है कि इस एक को अलग प्राइस बताए और एक को अलग बताए। हम यहाँ 2-3 बार आए हैं, हम बार बार आते हैं, यहाँ से प्रोडक्ट ले जाते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ की प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी अच्छी है और यहाँ की सर्विस बहुत अच्छी मिलेगी आपको। क्वालिटी, कलेक्शन, ट्रेंड के हिसाब से सारे कपड़े यहाँ पर है। आप जो मूवीज में देख रहे हो वो आपको पहले यहाँ पर मिलेगा। मैं खुद मूवी लाइन में हूँ तो मुझे पता है कि अगर करीना वो लहंगा पहन रही है जो कि नेक्स्ट ईयर पिक्चर आने वाली है, वो मेरे को यहाँ पर मिल गया पहले ही।
जी बहुत अच्छे मैम, बहुत
तो
अच्छे।
बहुत ही अच्छा है, प्लीज इसको विजिट करिए आप।
नहीं सर, जो वीडियो में दिखता है वो वाकई यहाँ भी है,
अच्छा
कहीं उससे ज्यादा है।
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम।